Here is another question from one of our viewers who had a contractor build the stairway a little bit lower than it should have been and is now dealing with a puddle of water surrounding it whenever it rains. And in reality, you do have a few choices. You can regrade the property to allow the water to drain somewhere if you possibly can, or you can set up site drains if that'll help. But if it doesn't, here's another option. You can just simply remove the lower step or remove the lower 2 or 3 steps, whatever you need to remove, and install a concrete landing or even a sidewalk. But either way, if you can somehow raise any part of the stairway built out of wood or even metal that is going to rot or rust, then something like this just might solve your problem. Now, there's something else I need to point out for some of you who might be living in areas where it snows and you're dealing with frost lines in the soil that could cause the concrete to heave or move upward or even get pushed around to create a variety of different problems for your stairs. So if you cannot use concrete, but you can use gravel or another product that you might be able to enclose with some wood forms that could be firmly attached to the soil using wood or metal stakes, then something like this might solve your problem. So again, if you can't regrade the property, or it's going to be too expensive to regrade the property, or you can't install site drainage because those could freeze in the wintertime also, or you just don't have anywhere to drain to, then something like this just might work. And I would be glad to hear from any viewers who might have a better suggestion to prevent water from pooling around exterior stairs. And thanks for watching. To learn more about home building and repairs, visit us at our website. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.